Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Nokia G21 smartphone, and in this video we are going to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Here at the search bar you gotta type in Opera. Once the app is found, just click on this green install button that is located in front of the Opera browser application itself. And now we gotta wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. Alrighty, we can go ahead and open the app. And basically all that it's left to do is to set up some first launch stuff. So here we gotta tap on continue. Next, we'll be provided with an opportunity to choose whether some of the features that Opera browser has to offer will be enabled or respectively disabled from the start. In my case, I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser. Here you gotta click on allow, and we are all set. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!